Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the SST class again. Myself, Himanshu Vats, your SST teacher. So today, finally, we are on the winding up of this prolonged chapter, Industries, chapter number 5. And coincidentally, this is the fifth video explanation of the chapter. Now, as I have promised you earlier in the previous video, that we will be winding up this particular particular content by IT. Only information technology was left to be discussed that we will be discussing in our video today. हमने अपनी पिछली वीडियोस में दो तीन मेजर इंडस्ट्रीज डिस्कस की थी. इंडस्ट्रीज चैप्टर में जो सब हेडिंग्स आती हैं, वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री, वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट कॉटन एंड टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री. अब हम फाइनली इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी इंडस्ट्री के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी इंडस्ट्री इज नॉट न्यू टू यू माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. आजकल जो कुछ चीजें हम कंप्यूटर में देखते हैं, मोबाइल फोन्स में देखते हैं, द सॉफ्टवेयर्स, द हार्डवेयर्स, ओके, द न्यू एप्स, एप्लीकेशंस, all these comes under the segment of information technology. The internet providers, the internet uh, speeds, okay, these are all taken care by information technology that we study in our computer subject as well. तो देखते हैं इस इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी में क्या कुछ है जो हम इंडस्ट्री चैप्टर के थ्रू स्टडी करेंगे. लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वन ऑफ द major specialty of information technology sector is it usually works round the clock. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, you might have seen that if suppose any of our gadget, any of our costly items gets stops functioning properly, कोई चीज अगर खराब हो जाती है, कोई एक्सपेंसिव चीज अगर खराब हो जाती है, या इवन द स्मॉलर थिंग्स विच आर मेड बाय द ब्रांडेड कंपनी, so those companies have their customer care centers, they have their customer care executives, they have their IVRs, जिसको हम कॉल करते हैं and we ask to them our queries, या अपनी प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट करते हैं. They are generally called as call centers. They are available almost round the clock because they are being supported by information technology. Okay, so this call centers, this customer cares, these are being supported by information technology. These are the part of IT. Okay, so one of the specialties, they almost works round the clock. आप लोग देखते होंगे the softwares, the online transactions, you can do them at any time. If you want to take out money, cash withdrawal from ATM, आपको कोई ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करनी है, ऑनलाइन परचेजिंग करनी है, you want to do any recharge of mobile, okay, these are available even at the midnight also. So IT industry is in its alarming position even at night also. ये हर समय on रहती है. Okay, second thing is, as we all know, because of IT we are easily able to communicate with any people whatsoever country they belong to, in whatever corner of the world they are sitting, we can easily communicate to them. IT tools की वजह से due to different sites, okay, chatting tools, telephones, mobiles, we can communicate to any person जहां पर भी वो बैठे हैं, दुनिया के जिस भी कोने में बैठे हैं. दिस इज मेड पॉसिबल बिकॉज ऑफ IT. तो geographical distance is not a barrier. A person sitting in USA, if using any communication app which we are using, we can easily deliver a message to him, and that will be read, can be easily read by him and received by him within a minute. वो उसका within a minute मैसेज को रीड करके रिप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं. We can share our photographs, videos, many other such important tasks with the help of IT. In IT, of course, latest communication devices are used. We are using the latest technique, latest gadgets, latest internet speeds. सब कुछ बिल्कुल अपडेटेड होता है. Okay, so these are some major points that are the specialty of information and technology industries. Okay, IT में what is the raw product in IT? Let's see. And what is the way of working style of IT companies? They deals with the storage, means storing data, processing of data, and distributing that data or information to the different resources. See, actually हम लोग इंटरनेट में क्या करते हैं, when we surf Google, when we search something on Google, we are retrieving an information which is already uploaded in the server of गूगल, जो कुछ उसमें पहले से अपलोडेड है वो हम उसको सर्च करके रिट्रीव करते हैं, मीन्स इट इज शेयरिंग इंफॉर्मेशन विद अस. ओके, so in IT the main raw material you can say is data, information. Okay, yeah, storage that they are doing, that the information that they are storing in themselves. Factors responsible for a particular area to grow as an IT industry hub. किसी एक particular city का IT industry hub में convert हो जाने का reason क्या है? What are the factors responsible? Firstly, resources availability. The resources, if the resources are available easily, then a particular area can be converted into a IT industrial area. Okay, resources में human resource भी आता है, because in IT the main raw material you can say are the people, those who are using their brain, the engineers, the technicians, the software developers. They are the basic raw material. The team, the developer team, software team, they are the basic raw material in IT industry. Cost, of course, the money that is involved, and infrastructure means the buildings and the offices expenditure जो वो सब बनाने में planning होती है. Fine. The major IT industry, if we discuss in very brief, if we talk about India, the major IT industry is located, industrial area is located in Bangalore, that deals with information technology companies, and it is also called as Silicon Plateau. It is also termed as Silicon Plateau since Bangalore is located in Deccan Plateau, and because it is having so many IT companies, it is also called as Silicon Plateau of India. And one of the major IT hub of the entire world is California in USA, and it is termed as Silicon Valley. Okay, it is called as Silicon Valley because of the IT industry. Because the word silicon is directly attached with the IT industry, since the chips and the processors are using silica as one of the raw material for them. Fine. We will be discussing about the IT industries further in this next page of this same video. So keep watching it. Okay, let's see some similarities between Bangalore and California of USA. What is the common in between these two cities? Why they have been grown up as a IT hub? First of all, the mild climate. Both the cities are having almost the mild climates. They are having a temperate type of climate. It's neither too hot, neither too cold. ना ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है वहाँ पे, ना ज़्यादा सर्दी होती है. They are taking a locational advantage as well. वो अपनी उस जगह का फायदा पूरा पूरा उठा पा रहे हैं. कैसे? Both Bangalore and California are having good roads and airport connectivity. Major roads are flowing through in Bangalore area and California area as well, and they are connected with the airports. Okay, they are near to big scientific research institutes like IIT Chennai is not very far away from Bangalore, and other reputed institutes are also situated near to Bangalore. Many of the institutes are there in southern India. Apart from that, apart from Bangalore, many other cities are also now emerging as smaller and middle level hubs for IT. काफी दूसरे शहर भी अब धीरे धीरे आईटी इंडस्ट्री की तरफ मूव कर रहे हैं. ओके, नॉट दैट मच अप टू बैंगलोर, बट स्टिल दे आर डेवलपिंग एज एन आईटी industries like New Delhi, Hyderabad, Chennai, Gurgaon, Pune, Kochi, Chandigarh, and of course Bangalore is already being discussed. Bangalore is also having one more type of specialty कि there the human resource, the people those who are working in IT industry, the middle level human resource and the top level human resource is easily available. So my dear students, this was the explanation of IT, and combining with all the videos which I have made till now, all the 5 videos, in this I have tried to explain you what all things are there in chapter industry of geography, chapter number 5. I hope you would have your criteria about this chapter have been pretty clear. आपको काफी कुछ समझ में आ गया होगा. If still you have any doubts regarding it, you can get connected to me by the ways which I have already told you, either through my email ID or through uh, this link which is already provided in the video. So thank you so much, dear children. हैव अ गुड डे। थैंक यू। जय हिंद।